Welcome to the best place on earth, Chucky Sneeze. I think that kid's finger stuck up his nose. Well, be glad that you're not on the clock yet. Right. Alright, so let me give you the grand tour. Over here we have the prize counter. Here you go, little man. Ethan, are you giving away the prizes again? No. Oh my god. You can't keep giving away stuff for free, Ethan. It was a discount. Does it look like I care? Boss, 100 tickets for a lollipop? That's like a $20 lollipop. Capitalism, Keith, it's the reason you have your job. Right this way, Rebecca. No flirting!